Look at this incredible SEO growth. This website went from practically 0 clicks to over 5,100 clicks with 40,600 impressions in just a few weeks. The graph shows the exact moment their AI Autoblog campaign kicked in, that massive spike at the end of January 2024. And this isn't a one-off success story. Here's another site that grew from 176 clicks to consistent daily traffic peaks, with some days hitting over 75 impressions. Notice how both sites show the same pattern: steady growth that suddenly accelerates once the AI content strategy takes effect. The crazy part? This entire growth happened while they were sleeping. The AI was researching keywords, writing articles, and publishing them directly to their blogs 24/7. I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up this same automatic SEO growth system using Vume.AI. By the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to flood your website with high-converting organic traffic without writing a single word yourself. Here's the reality. Most businesses publish maybe 2 to 4 blog posts per month. That's 24 to 48 articles per year. Meanwhile, your competitors who dominate Google are publishing 100 plus articles annually. The math is simple. More quality content equals more keyword rankings, equals more traffic, equals more customers. But here's the problem. Creating that much content manually is impossible for most businesses. Content writers charge $200 to $500 per article. Publishing 100 articles would cost you $20,000, $50,000 per year. Plus the time to manage writers, edit content, and handle publishing. That's where AI autoblogging changes everything. Vume.AI can research, write, and publish SEO-optimized articles completely automatically. We're talking about scaling from 4 articles per month to 20 plus without any additional work from you. Let me show you exactly how to set up your Autoblog campaign on Vume.AI. First, you connect your website, whether it's WordPress, Shopify, or any other platform. The integration takes less than 2 minutes. Next, you tell the AI about your business focus. Just like chatting with a friend, you describe what you do and your target audience. The AI agent immediately starts generating dozens of high-value keyword opportunities specific to your niche. But here's where it gets powerful. The AI doesn't just pick random keywords. It analyzes search intent, competition levels, and traffic potential. It's essentially doing what expensive SEO agencies charge thousands for, but automatically. You simply select the topics you want to dominate Google with and click Write with AI for each one. The AI then researches each topic by analyzing the top ranking pages for your keywords. It understands exactly what type of content Google wants to see and what keeps users engaged. When it's time to write, the AI doesn't just pump out generic content. It creates comprehensive, perfectly formatted articles with strategic headings, bullet points, numbered lists, and tables exactly where they need to be. Every article includes relevant images with optimized alt text, embedded YouTube videos to increase time on page, and strategic internal linking to boost your site's authority. The AI even creates FAQ sections targeting related questions and generates technical schema markup that helps Google understand and feature your content in rich snippets. Once all your articles are ready, here's where the Autoblog magic happens. You can set up the Autoblog feature by pushing all your articles into a publishing calendar. You decide the schedule, maybe 3 articles per week or 2 articles per month, whatever fits your strategy. From that point on, Vume takes care of everything. It automatically publishes your articles on the dates you've set. You wake up to find fresh SEO-optimized content live on your site without lifting a finger. This is how you scale from publishing 4 articles per month to 20 plus while actually reducing your workload. Your website becomes a content machine that attracts qualified traffic 24/7. Remember those traffic growth screenshots I showed you at the beginning? That's what happens when you consistently publish high-quality, SEO-optimized content at scale. While your competitors are struggling to publish 1 article per week, you're dominating Google with fresh content every single day. If you want to start your own automatic SEO growth machine, the link to try Vume.AI is in the description below. Set up your Autoblog campaign today and watch your organic traffic explode over the next 6 months. Hit that subscribe button for more traffic generating strategies, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll show you how to optimize your Autoblog campaigns for maximum ROI.